The file limit is the most annoying thing when working on big projects. You cannot upload more than 20 files. ChatGPT and Claude get completely stuck here. I suffered badly from this problem last week. Red error messages kept popping up on the screen. It was enough to lose your mind. Then I noticed the new update to Gemini Notebooks. The whole limit problem disappeared at once. Welcome to the PC Error Detective channel. Today I will show you how I processed more than 50 heavy PDF documents together. I did not need any third-party tools or plugins. The whole process happened in Google's own ecosystem. Let us go directly to the screen and look at the whole process. First, open your browser and go directly to the main Gemini website. Look closely at the sidebar panel on the left side of the screen. Before, only the normal chat history was saved here. Now you will see a new option right at the top. It says Notebooks there. Click on it. Many of you probably have not received this option in your accounts yet, because Google is rolling it out slowly for all users. If you do not see it, just log into another Google account from your PC and try. This notebook interface looks a lot like Notebook LM. Now it is time to upload our main data. You will see a plus icon right in the middle or slightly lower in the window. It might say Add Source or Upload Files there. Click on that. Your PC file manager will open immediately. I am select Technical Manuals together from my download folder. The size of each file is much more than 10 megabytes. Select them all and press the Open button. Gemini will begin to process them. It might take a little time. My internet speed is acting a bit slow today. But the most surprising thing is, it does not give any errors even after adding so many heavy files. After the files upload completely, you will see a long list of all of them in the left panel. Spin your mouse wheel and check the list a bit lower down. It is good to see once if all the files came into the system properly. The real power of Gemini Notebooks hides right here. Their context window size is huge. It supports about 2 million tokens easily. So the system does not crash even if you give so many heavy files together. I used to get a warning when trying to do this exact work in Claude projects. They start giving weird restrictions as soon as 5% of the storage gets full. But there are no strict limits like that here in Gemini. So the files are uploaded. Now you must tell the system specifically what it will do with them. There is an empty box named System Instructions in the right panel. Click on that box. I am typing my specific requirements here. You will write a detailed prompt according to your work. The hard limit for custom instructions in ChatGPT is only 8,000 characters. But I tried pasting a huge prompt of 13,000 characters in Gemini Notebooks. There was no problem. Now, type your specific question or command in the main chat box and press the enter button. I commanded it to pull out specific data points and formulas from these 40 different manuals. Gemini analyzed very quickly and started to generate a response. The results are totally specific and to the point. When all the work is done, you can save the notebook with a custom name. Click on the untitled name at the top and change the name. I am naming this Hardcore Data Processing. After this, whenever I need to know a new formula or point based on these files, I will just open this saved notebook. You do not have to worry about file sizes or limits anymore. Google completely changed how we work with this small update. Try it once on your PC yourself. You can tell me in the comments how you like the system. I am ending it right here for today.